Hi, and welcome to another edition of Kitchen Chemistry. I'm Julie, an educator with the New Mexico Museum of Space History. And today I was thinking about apples and fall, and the apples that are in harvest right now. Have you ever taken a bite of an apple and then left it, only to come back and it's all brown and gross looking? Well, I was wondering, is there a way that you can keep an apple from turning brown? Well, today we're going to use an experiment to see if we can do that. And all you need is a few items that you have around your house. Today, of course, you're going to need some apples, any kind is fine, some baking soda, some lemon juice, a couple of plastic Ziploc bags. You're going to need a measuring cup and a measuring spoon and a knife. So go gather up all of your materials and come back and join me right here.
Have an adult help you cut the apples into slices. You will see that almost immediately the apples begin to turn brown. Why does this happen? Well, when an apple is cut, it releases a molecule called polyphenol oxidase. And when it's mixed with oxygen, it turns the apple brown. This chemical reaction is known as an oxidation reaction, just like metal rusting when left out in the rain. I will keep 3 slices out on the table, and these will be our control group. I add 1/4 a cup of water to a plastic bag, add 3 apple slices to the bag, and then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the bag. My lemon juice squirted everywhere, but fun science is messy science. Make sure all the apple slices are covered with the lemon juice mixture. Then, take a 1/4 cup of water and add it to the second bag. Add 3 apple slices and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix the baking soda up to cover all the apple slices. Then we wait for 40 minutes to see what happens. After 40 minutes, the apples just left on the table are turning brown. The apples in the lemon juice are not very brown, and the apples in the baking soda are somewhere in between. I will put the apple slices back in their bags and wait 40 more minutes to see if the apples react further. After waiting another 40 minutes, the apples in our control group are very brown. The apples in the lemon juice are looking pretty good. And the apples in the baking soda have turned brown and don't look very good to eat. But why does this happen? Well, polyphenol oxidase is a catalyst. A catalyst is something that causes a chemical reaction to react faster. This means that as soon as polyphenol oxidase is released into the air, the browning begins immediately. One of the things that can slow down the catalyst is to change the pH, either making it more acidic or more basic. Enter the lemon juice and the baking soda. If you remember, lemon juice is acidic and baking soda is basic. The results show that the catalyst slows the browning of the apples down when in the presence of an acid.
Did the lemon juice preserve the apples better, keeping them from not browning so much? Or did the baking soda do better? Well, thank you for joining me today for another episode of Kitchen Chemistry. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we're always adding new projects and new information. And as always, stay home, stay safe, and keep looking up.